Welcome to Product Critique. If you're searching for the best headlight switch for your Peterbilt truck, look no further. Today we're featuring the 1606657 headlight switch, hands down the best Peterbilt switch on the market for select models. This is the perfect replacement if you're driving a Peterbilt 330, 357, 359, 377, 378, 379 from 2004 to 2005, or the 387. It's a game-changer for any trucker looking to maintain or restore their lighting system with confidence and ease. Let's dive into why this switch is such a standout. Right out of the box, you'll notice the rugged construction. It's crafted from high-quality plastic material, built to endure the vibrations, temperature fluctuations, and general wear and tear of long-haul trucking. It's not some flimsy part that'll give out after a few months. This is a component designed for the long road ahead. Installation? A breeze. This is a direct replacement toggle switch, a true plug-and-play solution. There's no need for splicing wires or modifying your dash. The terminal type is a through-hole quick connect, making it super easy for anyone with basic mechanical skills to swap it in. It's a two-position, double-pull single-throw switch with 4 blades, specifically designed to control both your headlamps and clearance lights with precision. One of the most impressive aspects is how well it matches OEM functionality. It seamlessly integrates with your existing system, giving you tactile and responsive control over your lights. When you're navigating tough road conditions or need clear visibility during night drives, having that dependable switch at your fingertips is critical. This switch ensures your lights work exactly when you need them. But here's a pro tip. While this switch is compatible with most 379 models from 2004 and early 2005, it will not fit the newer dashboard style on later 2005 plus models. So be sure to double-check your truck's dash layout before purchasing. This little detail can save you from ordering the wrong part. Let's talk about value. Not only is this switch affordable, but it also comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind that you're making a smart investment. And if you ever run into any issues, the manufacturer offers responsive customer support to help resolve them. Now, let's be honest, when it comes to replacement parts, especially switches, quality can vary wildly. But this one consistently delivers. It's reliable, durable, and engineered to match the tough demands of commercial trucking. You're not just replacing a switch, you're restoring confidence in your vehicle's lighting system. If you're ready to upgrade your Peterbilt's lighting control and avoid costly downtime, the 1606657 headlight switch is the way to go. Check out the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. Your truck deserves the best, and so do you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss a deep dive on the best tools, parts, and upgrades for your ride. Safe travels and see you in the next review.